Okay, so what is coming towards Virgo this month? Let's see what is coming towards Virgo this month. What can Virgo expect to come in? Wow, you have the infinite abundance card now. Abundance is pouring into your life. So this month, a lot of abundance is going to come in for you. So a lot of good times, a lot of financial abundance is going to come in. So maybe some of you are really going to travel to some different places, or maybe even if you're not traveling, you are really going to explore new things. You are truly going to be very inspired, and you're really going to explore new beautiful things in the world. And you are really going to walk in beauty. So this month you're really asked to look for beauty in everything around you. So you're really asked to look for beauty in every single thing around you. So there is some form of beauty in everything around you. So you're really called to look for that beauty in everything around you. So have an eye for the beauty all around you. So there's maybe you just need to see things in a way that you find beauty in everything. So a lot of happiness, abundance, and financial stability is coming into your life this month. And you are really going to be either traveling, or maybe you're just really going to explore things. You're going to feel more adventurous. So a lot of adventure and happiness is going to come into your life. What is coming in for Virgo this month? What can Virgo expect this month, and what is coming in for Virgo? So now we have expect powerful change. So I'm seeing that you guys are going to undergo a lot of powerful changes. So a lot of good positive changes are going to come in for you. And you're truly going to feel very good. So a lot of powerful and good changes are going to happen for you. And you're asked to believe in the impossible. So just go for whatever it is that you truly believe in. So you're really asked to believe in whatever it is that you really even thought was impossible. So whatever you thought was impossible is actually possible, and there is anything that you can truly want or think of is what you can achieve. So just believe in the impossible and just go after whatever it is that you want. And you are good enough. So maybe some of you all have a tendency to really doubt yourselves. So the universe wants to tell you that you are good enough, and you don't have to just keep doubting yourself. So you can do and achieve whatever it is that you maybe thought was impossible. So for some of you, this is a very clear and strong message that don't think that something is impossible. Everything is possible, and you are good enough, and you can get whatever it is that you truly want. So I'm seeing that you are good enough to get whatever it is that you really want. And this is a full moon in Virgo. So this is a very beautiful energy for you, and this month you're going to get a lot of success. So I'm seeing that whatever you truly work on, you will get a lot of success. And we have abundance again. So you are truly going to get a lot of abundance. We had the infinite abundance, and now we have abundance. So you are definitely going to get a lot of abundance this month. And you're going to really be very happy, and you're going to get a lot of financial security and stability. So I'm seeing a lot of happiness and abundance coming into your life this month. You are going to go with the flow, and there's going to be this beautiful sense of flow coming into your life. So you're truly going to feel very happy and very inspired and very light from within. So I'm seeing that everything will be much more easier, and you will just go with the flow with every single thing. So there's this beautiful sense of flow and abundance coming in for you, and whatever you truly put efforts into, you'll get success in that. So I'm seeing that this is going to be a very good energy and good month for you. A lot of success, good times, and abundance, and you're truly going to heal a lot of things. So you are really going to heal from a very deep level. So I'm seeing that you guys are really going to heal anything that kept you sad and stuck. So you are really going to heal this month. A lot of healing and just happiness is going to come into your life this month. So you will find this beautiful sense of flow, and you will just feel very relaxed from within, and whatever you do, you will truly enjoy everything you do. So you are really going to heal physically, emotionally, and mentally. So you are truly going to be really, really happy, and I'm seeing that you're really going to go within and relax. So you are truly asked to dream big this month. So you are going to succeed in a lot of things that you're going to do. So you're truly asked to dream big and just think big and have big and beautiful dreams. So you can really achieve whatever it is that you truly want. So So I'm seeing that a lot of really good times are going to come into your life this month. So I'm seeing a lot of magic and a lot of happiness. And you are truly going to feel very, very powerful. I'm seeing that you are really going to feel much more in power. And you're truly going to be rescued from a lot of things in your life. So you are now really going to feel very happy from within. So I'm seeing that a lot of happiness and a lot of relaxation is going to come into your life. And you will be given a lot of wishes will be granted. So a lot of wishes that you had will be really granted this month. So I'm seeing a lot of positivity and a lot of good energy coming in for you. So you are truly going to relax and you're going to be very blessed this month. So I'm seeing a lot of blessings and a lot of happiness coming in. We have the card for enjoyment. So you guys are really going to enjoy a lot this month. A lot of enjoyment, relaxation, and a lot of happiness is going to come in for you. So I'm seeing that maybe some of you were really going through some hardships in the past. But now this month I'm seeing that a lot of enjoyment will come into your life. And just trust in the divine timing. Every single thing will happen exactly in the right time. So a lot of you were getting very impatient and you were just going through a streak of hardships. But now I'm seeing that a lot of enjoyment, relaxation, ease, and divine timing is going to come into your life. So a lot of things in your life that were not working will happen just at the right time. So divine timing is going to be very significant for some of you where you're really waiting on something. And do everything with a very clear and powerful intention. So your intention is very powerful. So your attention is being drawn to having a very beautiful and a very honest and authentic intention in whatever it is that you do. So just relax and have a strong intention in whatever you do. So now what else is going to come in towards Virgo this month? So you are really going to go into whatever it is that you truly want, and you're really asked to go behind whatever it is that you truly want. So whatever things that you truly want to really achieve, you're really asked to just go behind them and take leaps of faith to achieve whatever you truly want to achieve. So this month you're really asked to go ahead and just do whatever it is that you're truly being called to do or to create. So you are being nudged into the direction of creating whatever it is that you truly want. Look for the right guidance in the little things. There are signs and synchronicities around you which will really lead you and guide you into creating something very powerful. So I'm seeing that definitely this month you are really going to relax and enjoy. So there's going to be this deeper sense of just flow and wisdom and balance in your life coming in. And your trust is going to be restored. So I'm seeing that if you had really, lost your trust and faith in things, if there were a lot of hardships, if things were just not working, so I'm seeing that now your trust will be restored and you're truly going to feel much more happier. So you went through certain things that have been very hard for you. A lot of tests by this universe. You have the abundance card the third time. So definitely I'm seeing that a lot of abundance is going to come in this month and you're truly going to soften from within. And you're going to feel really free from within. So a lot of happiness, lightness and freedom is going to come into your life. Now let's see how does Virgo's person think and feel about them. So how does your person truly think and feel about you? How does Virgo's person think and feel about them? How does Virgo's person think and feel? Okay, we have the 8 of Cups, the 10 of Swords and the 8 of Pentacles. So I'm seeing that for some of you this person walked away from you, or they really feel that things have just ended between the two of you. Or maybe for some of you things have ended with this person. So I'm seeing that there was a lot of fear and a lot of things that were keeping this person very stuck. So maybe this person was in a very independent energy and they were just working on their self and on their work. So I'm seeing that for a lot of them, they were really busy and caught up with their work. So they have really been waiting right now. They haven't been making a very clear move. So But this is a general reading for, so not everything will apply for everyone, but what I'm seeing is that for some of y'all, this person either walked away or things just came to a standstill between the two of you. So I'm seeing that this person was feeling very, very stuck. But now I'm seeing that there's going to be a lot of good luck that's going to come in. So now this person really wants to make a change over here. So this person was feeling like things have really ended. But now I'm seeing that this person really wants to turn things around. They haven't been communicating much. This person has not been really very upfront about anything, but this person has really not been talking to you. This person has... Okay, so this person hasn't walked away from you. I'm sorry. This person has been really feeling a lot. That this person has been really, really deeply confused in their own life. So this person has just been so worked up and so confused that they have not been able to come towards you. And this person is feeling very, very low and just very sad in their own life. So this person feels that things have just really slowed down between the two of you, or for some of you things really ended with this person. But I'm seeing that this person has really been very, very stuck in their own mind, but they're walking away from that energy. Wherever, whatever confusion they were stuck in, now they are walking away from that energy. Now they are coming out of this defeated energy. So I'm seeing that now there is a turnaround in this energy. So this person was really acting very strange and they felt very stuck and very confused in their own head. So I'm seeing that now this person is truly coming in and they see this very beautiful potential for you, in your connection. So maybe for some of you, you are already committed to this person, or maybe you're going to get committed to this person. So I'm seeing that there's a very strong and a very beautiful potential in your connection. So I'm seeing that this person really wants to pursue you and they really want victory with you. So whatever confusions this person had, now they are getting cleared up. And now this person really wants to bring in a streak of good luck into your connection, and they really want to release all old cycles. So I'm seeing that this person truly really wants to come towards you, and they really want to just make it known to you that yes, they were stuck, but in the future they really want to come and pursue you. So I'm seeing that you are really beautiful to this person. This person really wants to nurture you, and they feel that you are very, very luxurious, beautiful, and just very abundant to them. You make them really happy with the sun. You bring in a lot of happiness and vitality into their life. So this person is truly happy to have you in their life, and they have been feeling very bad and very low. They feel like they've missed out on a lot of opportunities with you. So this person feels really bad that they weren't able to come towards you. And now I'm seeing that this person wants to come in with a lot of texts. They really want to talk to you. They want to make up for whatever they haven't done right. So they truly, with the Emperor, this person really wants to come and pursue you, and they really want to take control in this connection. So what I'm seeing is that now this person truly is feeling much better and much more inspired in their own life. And you are their absolute wish fulfillment. So this person truly loves you very deeply. With the King of Cups, this person truly loves you very, very deeply. So this is someone who has a lot of depth and a lot of emotions for you. But this person needed to heal. This person needed to go within. This person needed to really heal to be able to be less confused and to truly take more action towards you and towards this connection. So now this person is truly coming towards you. They have a lot of love for you, a lot of mutual feelings for you, and they really want to manifest a very beautiful connection with you, and they truly see how beautiful, stable and abundant you are, and they really want to provide for you. They want to nurture you. They want to take care of you. And I'm seeing the next action will be that this person is really going to come towards you. They will pursue you with a lot of emotions, and this person is really missing you. So I'm seeing that now this person is definitely going to come towards you. So for some of you, you guys have had fights and there have been issues between the two of you, but now I'm seeing that going forward, definitely now this person is getting unstuck and now they will feel much better. So now they'll take more action towards you. and they will really come in towards you and they will really pursue you. So I'm seeing that they really want to take action towards you, and now going forward they'll really come in. So they have really been stalking you. So if they've not been very direct with you, but they've really been stalking you. So I definitely see that this person really views you as someone they really want to nurture and take care of. And this person truly feels relaxed with you. So now they're gaining this clarity and now they're going to come in and really pursue you. So they see a lot of potential in this connection. They see that they really want to manifest something very beautiful, and they truly deeply feel highly attracted to you and very, very deeply for you. They feel very, very deeply for you. So they're really going to come in, and now that they're feeling unstuck, they're going to come and pursue you. That's all I have for you.